I just put some sunscreen. I wash up and put some sunscreen. There's a meeting going on downstairs, and yeah, I've been having a hard time. Oops. Oh. Yeah, I've been having a hard time getting out of the bed, so I decided to just book Pilates session for in the morning. So that way I already pay for it, so I'm gonna wake up. Coffee time. So my husband's still working. He's working hard on a meeting, and I got back from Pilates class today. It was so good. The teacher kind of pushed me to the limit. She was having fun. I'm struggling. Also, when somebody challenged me, I can be a little competitive, so I was just like, okay, like I'm gonna do it. Anyway, yeah, it feels really good, and I know I'm gonna feel it tomorrow. And you know, like that pain, your muscle pain, I kind of enjoy the next day. Yeah. Yeah, the Pilates class was really good. Hey Siri, what's on my timer? So there's a one items Trader Joe's been out of stock, and here we are. I never tried, but I saw it online. Somebody recommended it's like so good. So they had it the other day when I stopped by. So I stacked up for 6. Should we check cactus? Cacti? Right there. So what we can do, Alan, we can just buy a really expensive cacti and done with it. Or we can buy like small stuff.
I don't see cacti.
It's right there. Let's go around. That one?
I know, but they totally photobombing you.
Oh, you're fine. What do you think about that one?
The colors are really weird.
Not pretty.
It like looks like.
Oh, what about that one? Oh.
Which one?
I am stuck in the back seat to protect this. I just purchased. So yeah, I'm just sitting in the back seat. Try to hold this succulent so it doesn't fall, and then Alan's been driving really carefully. Yeah, I am a little scared. They're very pointy and I don't want it to attack me. Counting on you, Alan. Morning. It's Sunday. My husband is playing game. Like that's his weekend routine. And Come on. So I'm gonna have some coffee. I don't know what I'm gonna do today. Yesterday we set up the fire pit that we ordered last year in November. Delivery was made twice. The first one we had to send it back because something, like everything was broken. And then thankfully they sent a new one, but it just took about a month. It's already lunchtime. It's Sunday. It's 11:46, and I think what to eat. And I checked the refrigerator, and then I do have some veggies and ingredients for Thai curry. I'm gonna make the green Thai curry. Thai green curry. Anyway, yeah, I bought some Thai basils yesterday, so I'm just gonna use that, and then that's gonna be our lunch today. Getting